Using revolutionary clear circuit technology, the boost amplifier works with any non-amplified antenna to receive additional channels and overcome signal loss causing pixelization and dropouts. What separates the boost amplifier from other amplifiers is the ultra-low 1 decibel typical noise figure. Other amplifiers add higher levels of noise, causing channels to become completely unwatchable or have increased dropouts and pixelization. The boost's low noise figure adds less noise to the signal, allowing for higher signal quality. The boost amplifier has a typical gain of 15 decibels VHF and 20 decibels UHF, and includes an FM trap that attenuates FM signal so that it does not interfere with digital TV signals. The boost also has been redesigned for easier use with today's HD TVs, allowing you to power the amplifier with the included USB cable or using the standard 110-volt adapter.